Taste the dust.
You can get out of the flow of that.
So what are you going to make with all your flour?
We use it in everything. Everything bread and pancakes and smoothies and anything we bake.
All right.
And then, but we also give it to our relatives for gifts, so that's why I do a little more every year.
I've been making pizza dough with it.
Yeah. My sister up in Montana loves it.
Oh, yeah.
Can you just bang
They probably don't have too much of it in Montana.
More yet? One more? Perfect.
How much do you think you got there?
Looks like about 3 gallons, doesn't it? Now it's from about 9 gallons of beans. So.
Wow.
Do it the other way. That's fine.
Well, she's all prepared. She's got her jugs and barrels and.
Yeah, and these 2 are yours. And
It's funny. A lot of people show up like they think they're going to put it in their pockets when they're done. They don't even have a plastic bag with them.
You got a handprint. You have 2 handprints. Super duper. And the only reason I want to do these separate is they've got a different pot. And like I say, if that's too much trouble, I don't care.
We do them by the 5-gallon bucket, so it's easy to separate between them like that. So how many pounds did she end up with? How many pounds did she end up with, Charlie?
6, 8, and 10.
So
25 pounds.
Yeah, 24, 25. Cool.